to Zara'S Paper Play. As you know, I prepared a free paper doll printables for you guys. But this one is hand-drawn, and after the printing the quality is not good that much, and it is little bit blur also, so I just decided to make a digital paper doll printables for you guys. So here is our printable. This printable in 6 different types: basic doll number 1 and basic doll number 2, basic doll number 3, and I also drew in black and white version. So here is basic doll number 4. In this you got black and white 1 paper doll. Here is basic doll number 5. You got 2 black and white paper doll, and basic doll number 6. Here you got 3 paper doll. So guys, print whatever you want to print. So here I have printed basic doll number 2 on photo paper. So the quality is so good, and the color is also so bright, and the printable is so clear, you can see, and the paper quality is also so good. If you don't have this photo paper, so you can print it on normal A4 sheet just like me. I have printed it also on normal A4 sheet, you can see, but the color should little bit dull on the A4 sheet, and so you can see the paper quality is also not good, but that's not a big deal, and the color difference is also there, you can see it's so bright, but that one is okay. So you can print it on normal A4 sheet as well, and I have printed basic doll number 3 also on normal A4 sheet. So I think this is perfect for me. So before cutting the paper doll, we have to do a very important step, and it's very important to do. So the first step we have to do it is laminating with the help of transparent tape. Laminating make your paper doll waterproof, so sometime if you drop water on your paper doll while playing with it, so the color should not be bleed, and lamination process protects your paper doll from any harm. This step is very important, so guys, don't skip this step. Please laminate your paper doll with tape or any lamination sheet, so don't skip this only, okay? So here I am laminating my paper doll with the help of tape and with the help of my finger also, and now cut the tape with the help of scissors. Laminate the hand also. So here is our lamination process is done. So now you can see it's so shining, right? Many of you ask why Zara your dolls are shining. Because I use transparent tape on doll and sometimes cloth, so that's why they are shining. And now laminate all the printable with the help of transparent tape. So tada, here I have done it. So now it's time for cutting the paper doll. So let's cut the paper doll with the help of scissors. Guys, be safe while using scissors and don't harm yourself. So here our cutting is done. You can see so beautiful, right? But this one is good and thick also, but our A4 sheet doll is not thick, they are so thin. So now I will show you how to make this paper doll thick also. So I just taken one doll from basic doll number 3 printable, and one doll from basic doll number 2 printable, and one doll is from spreading glue on the paper doll and spreading it. So after spreading the glue, now we have to put our paper doll on the punch. Put the paper doll on punch like this. Now do the same step with this doll also. Now put this doll on paper also and let them dry. And now cut. So here is our paper doll. They look beautiful. Which one do you like, big or small? Let me know in the comment. If you want their dress up next, so let me know in the comment section.